Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel and today's series in Rakuten Trade. So now with most online stock brokerages, we can actually diversify our portfolio and increase our exposure in local markets and in foreign markets. So with Rakuten Trade, we can buy and sell shares in Bursa Malaysia and also in foreign markets in US and Hong Kong. So if you haven't signed up for a Rakuten Trade account, in the previous video, we looked at how to sign up for an account. And I'll put the links above and below. And continuing on from the previous video, even though we have signed up for a cash upfront account with a foreign trading account, we have not set up, opened and activated our foreign trading account. So that's what we'll be doing in this video. So now we're going to hop into our Rakuten Trade account on the PC. So as of this video and currently, the available foreign markets are the United States and Hong Kong. Even though it is very limited compared to most other brokers which offer more and other foreign markets like Singapore, Britain, Korea, Japan, etc. Anyway, US and Hong Kong is a good start and I definitely look forward to more foreign markets to trade in Rakuten Trade. In our account's homepage on the left, we see Trade US and HK. So click it. So when opening a foreign share trading account, there are additional information that need to be provided to fulfill certain regulatory requirements. So we see here Foreign Exchange Administration Declaration and BNM residency status is already selected by default from your initial account opening. Then next is I have domestic ringgit borrowing. So if you have a car loan, housing loan or personal loan from a bank or as explained below, just click yes. If none, then just select no. Then check the I have read and agree to the Foreign Exchange Administration Declaration form. Then next is the US Tax Withholding and Reporting W8BEN. So now you're probably asking, like me as well, what is this reporting? So the W8BEN form is a tax-related document used by non-US individuals or entities, including Malaysians, who have income from US sources. It's used to establish your status as a foreign taxpayer and claim potential tax treaty benefits if applicable. The form helps the US tax authorities, which is the Internal Revenue Service or IRS, determine the correct amount of tax to withhold from payments made to you. Then further down below, your basic and personal infos are already pre-filled in from your initial account opening. Then remember your trading PIN, the 6-digit trading PIN, which you created earlier in your initial account opening. Key in here to certify the W8BEN form. The trading PIN is your signature to sign the W8BEN form. Then also check the foreign trading terms and conditions below. Then click submit. So now it is just a matter of patience and waiting. You will be notified by email from Rakuten Trade on the activation for foreign market trading. So here it is the email. You should receive two emails. One, that your cash upfront foreign trading account has been activated and you get free real-time stock price and chart information for US stocks. In the second email, it's on successful activation of real-time HK Hong Kong stock price agreement. So if you log in back to your Rakuten Trade account on your PC here, so on the right you should see here Bursa Malaysia and next to it foreign markets Hong Kong and US. So now we can buy and sell shares in Bursa Malaysia and also in foreign markets like US and in Hong Kong. And the only thing left now is to fund our account, which we will cover in the future video. So hit the like button and subscribe to this channel below to stay tuned. And also follow me on my social media, which I'll put above and at the end in this video, where we cover on real estate, investing, finance and home tips.